How much sleep do you really need? Sleep is essential to feeling rested and alert. Getting the right amount for your mind and body feels great and helps you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go. Every person is different when it comes to the exact amount of sleep that's optimal for them, but most people fall within a range, depending on their age. These guidelines can help you determine how much sleep you really need, while providing some easy ways to achieve it. How many hours of sleep do you need? There is no precise number of minutes or hours of sleep at night that guarantees you will wake up feeling totally refreshed. But based on your age and lifestyle, what's recommended for you likely falls within a certain range. To help yourself stay alert during the day, try sticking with these guidelines. Newborns, from 0 to 3 months, babies need between 14 and 17 hours of sleep. This includes daytime naps, since newborns rarely sleep through the night. Older infants, 4 to 11 months, need about 12 to 15 hours of sleep each day. Toddlers, between the first and second year of life, toddlers need between 11 and 14 hours of sleep each night. Children, preschoolers, 3 to 5 years, should get 10 to 13 hours, while school-age kids, 6 to 13 years, should strive for 9 to 11 hours each night. Teenagers, as kids get older, their need for sleep decreases slightly. Teens, 14 to 17 years, require about 8 to 10 hours of nightly sleep. Adults, between the ages of 18 and 64, adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of nightly sleep. If you're older than 65, you may need a little less. 7 to 8 hours is recommended.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Build in some flex time. Some people can function well on the lower end of the range and others will need every minute of the upper limit. In fact, an additional hour or two on either side of a given range may be appropriate, depending on the person. Still, straying too far from the recommended amount could lead to a variety of health issues. For example, short-changing sleep has been associated with weight gain, reduced immunity, high blood pressure, and depression. The negative effects of too little or too much sleep aren't just physical, they can also interfere with your mental health. Your outlook, mood, and attention span all depend on getting the right amount of sleep, and without it, your job performance, not to mention your personal life, can suffer.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone and share it with your friends. And for more curiosity about the human body, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.